Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to exchange JamDex dollar to JMD in your Link app. If you are curious to know what you can do with this money, then let me share a few things you can do. You can use it to pay your bill, you can share it with your family and friends, you can buy credit on the Link app, or you can transfer it to your bank account or your card. If you are not so sure and you want to know if you have JamDex dollars, then you can log into your Link app, click on JMD balance, and you will see two accounts, your Jamaican dollars in JMD and your JamDex dollars in JMD. Once you click on the JamDex account, it will show you that you have government benefits and you will see the amount. Now that you know how to check if you have JamDex dollars, let's move on to how to exchange JamDex to JMD. The first thing you want to do is log into your Link app. Once you have done that, click on Pay Your Bills. Next, put in your code or your fingerprint. Then scroll down to Exchange and click on Exchange. Once you have done that, it will take you to the From JamDex to JMD page. Now type in the amount that you are exchanging and swipe up to send. After doing that, the page will load and you will see that it was transferred. If you followed the instruction correctly, then you will see that the JamDex was successfully transferred to the JMD account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye! Use the code above to claim your Link bonus.